Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day so far. So in today's video, we're here with a Buick Terraza. This one has a broken mirror, and we are going to be replacing the housing with this new housing, along with the glass for the mirror as well, of course. We'll need a few tools for this procedure, which will be listed in the description. But for now, let's go ahead and get started. Starting with the door open, we need to remove this piece of trim by gently pulling back on it until the locking plastic tabs are gently released, starting from the top and moving down the perimeter so that we could get access to those 3 locking nuts. For this next step, you could take your 10mm ratcheting socket. I'm going to be using a wrench in this case, and place it around each of the heads and then begin loosening them one by one. We are going to leave one of these bolts in place for now, as since this is a powered mirror, it's connected to a harness that we need to access and disconnect first. We will come over to the passenger side handle on the interior. We will remove this handle bezel, and we will use our T30 Torx bit to remove these 2 Torx screws on the inside of the door handle trim. As you are removing the screws, have one hand holding the trim and lower the trim gently while having something supported so that it's not just hanging from the harnesses here. With the passenger side trim moved back, if we continue to go downwards this way, the harness we are looking to unplug is right here. It might help to get some kind of flathead tool for this. However, you are going to need to push down on this black tab to have this harness release from this retaining clip. Disconnecting this harness is probably the most difficult part of the repair, but now that you have done that, you could go over to the other side. You could gently remove the housing, as gently as you can, I guess. And it should all come out in one piece. We will now take the new housing and feed the harness through this hole down to the original connector. And once we have confirmed where the connector should be, we can go ahead and place a nut to hold the mirror in place. After the harness has been reconnected, we can go ahead and place all this back up where it should be, placing all the clips along the perimeter back into position into their relevant holes, remembering to reinstall the door handle screws as well as the handle cover. After you tighten down all those nuts, you can push this back into place, and then you can carefully adhere the mirror into this bracket. You can check your driver's side for power and do further troubleshooting as needed. But there you have it. It's a pretty simple job. The most difficult part is removing the harness from the connecting wire for this mirror. But other than that, it shouldn't take you more than maybe half an hour or so to finish the job. But in any case, feel free to leave a comment down below, and please consider subscribing if you enjoy this type of content. With that being said, thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care.